guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long and everything, but today I finally got my Maniology subscription box. So I'm so excited. So I haven't opened it up yet. I wanted to wait for everyone to kind of share it with me, I guess you can say. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it up and let's see what we have. Okay, so we've got a bunch of stuff like this, like the thing there. Okay, so we've got the card that shows that it is, we've got Butini, manicure how to. Okay, so I guess this month it's called like Butini, something like that. But yeah, so this is so cool. I am so excited. Okay, so let's see. We've got peel in place for decorative use only. So I'm guessing these are stickers, I guess. I have been sick, so please bear with me. Okay, so what I did, because this is my first month and everything with the Mani and Me, is I did opt in for, there's 5 stamping plates that I was able to get for $27 because this is my first time and I was given that offer. So yeah, this is so exciting. Okay, so I'm opening up it is the crystal clear stamper and scraper set. So I'm gonna open this up. Oh, that is so cute. So you get like a little tiny scraper. And then it's like a little, oh my gosh, this is adorable actually. And then it's the Maniology little crystal jelly stamper. So that's so cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so these are the 5 stamping plates that I bought for $27. I think it was American, I believe. I live in Canada, so it was, I know it doesn't show the Canadian, I believe, until it goes into my bank account. But anyway, okay, so the ones that I got, so the 5 that I have here, so there is the MXM013, I believe. Yep, 013. And it looks like it is a bunch of, it doesn't really say what the name is. No, it doesn't. It doesn't say like the name or anything, but it looks like it's like a bunch of, oh gosh, I don't know, like that there, which is pretty cool. That's pretty neat. I like that one. And then the next one I got, oh, butterflies. Actually, to be honest, real butterflies, I'm actually afraid of. Yeah, I know, it's really weird, but you know. But here's like butterflies here. So that's really cool. And yes, don't worry, I know to peel off the blue, oh my gosh, the blue cover and everything like that. So don't you worry. Oh, and it looks like I have a little bit of like a marble, hearts, and all that stuff there. So that's really cool. So there's that one. And here's the 4th. And this one here is, I see a pie, a sandwich. So it looks like it's kind of like a picnic one, I guess. I'll put it up a little bit more. So that's different. I've never seen one that has like picnic stuff. And this one, yes. Oh, it's got a wolf, and it has different floral, and it's got feathers and birds. So that's pretty cool. So those were the 5 plates that I ordered. So now with this here, okay, so this is the September box. So this is what would normally come in everything because I just started their subscription boxes. That's why I got the jelly stamper and the scraper. And yeah, so everything that is basically going to be forward, it will just be the polishes and a gift, which these ones here are the glow-in-the-dark stickers that I got, which are Halloween. So that's really cool. And then I get 2 stamping plates. So this one here, which I'm so excited about, it's got like a bunch of really cool Halloween designs on it, so that's really cool. So that is the MXM088, and I have the MXM087. Oh, this is the one with like the little voodoo doll. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like, that's so cool. So I'm so excited to start using those. And so this is the polish. So I'm just gonna, comes in like the little box like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna open it up. I have my trusty scissors. And this is gonna be unedited because I wanna, yeah, I'm gonna basically do this video and then I'm just gonna post it. I don't really care anymore. So yeah, so I get the high voltage nail lacquer. It is not a stamping polish. So it's this one here. So this is P137 high voltage. And this, oh, this is really pretty. It's called Flicker B447. So this one here, I could actually, and the great thing about Maniology too is that their stamping polishes come with a black and white on the top. So basically, actually I can do this now. So what I'll do is I'm gonna peel, because you have to peel off the blue part here. So I'm gonna peel off the blue, and I'm gonna see which one I would like to put on the top there, because that would be like really cool. All right, so let's see here. I'm gonna do, I think for this one, I'm gonna do like one of the corner, like one of like these things here. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna do for Halloween, you know what? I'm gonna do the one with the witch's hat, the boo, and all that stuff. So I am gonna get this ready. And then I'm going to swatch it onto the top of the swatch. This is going to be so much fun. You know what, before I do that, I'm going to grab a paper towel. This is going to get just a little messy, which is fine. Nail stamping is fun and messy, just saying. All right, so we're going to do this, and then I'll show you guys in a second. So I want to make sure that I've got everything covered. All right, so let's see here. I think I waited a little bit too long for it, but that's okay. It's all good. Oh, maybe I waited too long for everything, but that's okay. All right, guys, so what I did was I went back in and I actually did way better this time. Thank goodness. All right, so I'm gonna swatch it. And I don't know why it's not going down. Okay. I don't know why it's not swatching properly. And also too, when you do the swatching and you have stuff left over on the thing, always get a lint roller and then just roll it off. I learned that in school when I did aesthetics. All right, so let me try this again because it went great the first time or the second time there. So let me see here. I just want to wipe this off. All right, let's see. Have this prepared. That. And there we go. So much better. So it's swatched. So, I mean, it looks really good on the white, but you really can't see it on the black. So, I mean, obviously, because it is a dark color, but I can't wait. So what I'm going to do is this week I will do a few designs for you guys. I'll do some videos and stuff like that to do some designs, and I'll get a couple of sets done for the press-on business. And yeah, I think I'm going to extremely like being a part of the Mani and Me Maniology subscription box every month. That's another thing too, guys. Like, whenever you have them, make sure that you take like pure acetone and you wipe these off, okay? So yeah, but yeah, so basically that is my subscription box. I will be doing a few sets with some designs and everything, so you guys will be seeing that. But overall, I give this box with these designs, I'd say a 9 out of 10, because I guess there are some things on here that look like they could be like doubled up in a way. Like, they could probably have done something completely different. But yeah, so I'm hoping that all my nail designs, all my nail sets and everything turn out really well. I know they will. And but yeah, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to leave a comment about, you know, if you are a nail stamper, if you would enjoy maybe the Maniology subscription box. But I will be leaving a link down in the description box below to the Mani and Me subscription website. And then yeah, so I'm hoping everybody enjoyed the video. Like I said, it's very short, very quick, to the point, unedited, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye.